Hey, you are welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can avoid rug pulls and honeypot scam. And if you love this kind of content that I create about helping you to be secure in the crypto space, then smash the subscribe button right now, like this content, and share it with someone else out there. When you do all this, you're going to help support this channel to reach out to more people. Let's say you receive a phone call right now or a text that someone wants you to buy a new cryptocurrency that just came out. Like, oh man, come and buy this cryptocurrency right now. You're gonna become a millionaire. This cryptocurrency is gonna like 10x, something new that is available in the market. My friend just told me about this and I want you to buy this. It's gonna make you a millionaire, man. This blah 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 blah. Be careful. Don't just rush into it like that. If say it is a very new project, don't rush into it like that. Tell that person, okay, my friend, yeah, thank you for sharing this with me. Okay, I appreciate, but can you tell me the name of the token? You know, share with me the contract address, and maybe if say it's trading on Binance or whatsoever platform this cryptocurrency is trading on, please do share it with me, so let me do my quick research about this project before I can invest in. And when you do that, of course, they are gonna give you maybe a contract address or something for you to start with. But if say they don't give you a contract address, just tell them to, you know, send you the link of the token on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko for you to go and check. Or maybe they are not yet listed on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, but whatever the case is, make sure you have the contract address of this project, the symbol, so that you can go and do more research. And once you get all this is what you should do. Go to this website to do the research. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Go to recently added projects on CoinMarketCap. Okay, these are new projects that are recently added. Like this one is on Binance. This is 1 day old. Right? Let's say a friend tells you this project, like right now you can see this project has grown 200%, right, for the past 24 hours, and for the past hour it has grown 13%. Let's say someone tells you right now there's a project on CoinMarketCap, it is doing so well, buy this project. When they give you the contract address or they're not able to give you the contract address, make sure you come to CoinMarketCap, you click on, you know, like the project, you'll find it here. This is the contract address, and you want to compare the contract address with the one they gave you. But let's say you don't have time to compare the contract address with the one they gave you, and you want to make sure, okay, you are on the right project. You can, you know, come here first, like scroll down a little bit to check like so many stuff about the project, like quickly what they are all about, and look at if they have any social links here that you can go to. Like for example, do they have a community? Yeah, you can see they have a Discord, they have a Telegram page. Hi, this is their website. You click here, it will take you to their website. Okay, you check their website. Okay, which project is this? And check their website. Are they good? The website will always be something good that they want you to see. So let's just bypass this. Copy this contract address that you have here and the ones that your friend sent to you. Come to this website here, and this website is Token Sniffer. Paste that address, search now. You're gonna search, and this will appear like to prove that you are human, and you do all this verify, boom, it's gonna take you there. Okay, now you are in. So guys, you can see now, you will see this one's called 100% audit. Everything here is check. The audit score is 100 over 100. Is a message of how well token contract and characteristics meet the criteria for safety. Result may not be applicable if the token is in pre-sale. Automated scanners like this one are limited and not always completely accurate. A token with a high score may still have hidden malicious code. The score is not advised and should be considered along with other factors. Always do your own research and consult multiple sources of information. So let's say you come here and you see everything is check, or maybe 60% of this is check, and yeah, everything is checked. But what you want to come here to take note is look at everything here, like for example, holders, analysis, liquidity. If these are checked, now you have done your first research. This project from this website is something you can give a try like quickly. Then you go to this next website. This is Honeypot scam. And guys, this one I showed you is to determine lock pool. And when liquidity is not locked, the owner of the contract can pull liquidity from the contract, meaning you wouldn't be able to sell when you buy a project, because when liquidity is pulled out, there is no more cash in the system for you to buy from or sell. So you have to take note about that. And the next website I want to show you is focused on Honeypot scam. Honeypot scam is when you buy into a project but cannot sell it because the contract is designed in a way that you can only buy and cannot sell. So let me go now to this and search this contract to see if, say, it's a honeypot scam or not. And from this, you see that does not seem like a honeypot, meaning when you buy this project, you can sell it. With all this, you can now see that, oh, this project might really be a good project. The last thing you have to do is come to BHC Scan. So once you're here on BHC Scan, you paste the same contract address here. Now you are in, so you can see everything happening here with this project. You can come here to token tracker. You click on token tracker. It will take you to the different holders who are available. You can see the total supply of this token. Holders are right now 14,743 addresses, transfers 73,832 transfers already. So you can already see the different holders, and from here you can see top holders here. So once you see all these, like, okay, wow, this is really good. We now have 14,743 addresses. That means 14,743 people have bought this token already, and the transfer of 73,832. So you can see now you are rest assured that you want to get involved into this token. But guys, don't just dive into it right away. Go to PooCoin, and from PooCoin you can paste the contract address there and it will give you the token. You can see from PooCoin like the charts, what is happening with the project. You can see, wow, this project is pumping right now, and I won't advise you to buy it like right away. No, don't buy it because you already missed out on this project. You can see it started here, it came down, and now it is pumping again. Just be cool, be monitoring the project. You have to wait because people are always going to sell, trust me. And if say this project is going to be a good project, then you are going to invest. When people have sell off the token, then you can buy back from this level. What I'm trying to say here, guys, make sure you go through this process properly, and it's going to help you to determine which crypto project you want to be investing in or not. I want you guys to avoid rug pulls, honeypot scams. I want you to always invest in projects that will make you money in a long period of time. I don't want you to rush into project because a friend tells you, go and buy this project, go and do this, go and do that. You have to make sure that when you are buying this project, it's not a rug pull, it's not a honeypot scam, and you can make money from it, right? Not just because they say buy it and you go and buy it because a friend tells you buy it or a YouTuber tells you to buy it. Don't listen to all these people. They don't know more than you do. Once you have a plan and you follow this plan, you are gonna save lots of money in the crypto space. Trust me, you're gonna protect yourself, avoid all the scams happening in the crypto space. So if say you think this content was helpful to you and you want me to create more of such content, then consider smashing the subscribe button right now, like this video, and share it with your friend. Also, comment below what you think about the video. If say it was helpful to you, what more do you want me to talk about on my platform that will help you in your crypto journey? I'm here because you're there. I'm here to help you in this space. I'm here to share my mistakes with you and also learn from you guys. I don't know it all. I might learn from you. That's why you want to connect with me by subscribing, liking this content, and share it with your friend. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.